Today we are announcing a new initiative that is very exciting, and that is to fill the gap between our in-stock items and the price of a custom-made boot. Over the years, as you guys have seen, our range has grown substantially. We are now got distributors in various parts of the world, and it's just becoming quite difficult to keep everyone happy. And we're finding that lots of people are not ordering custom-made boots, obviously because of the price, but they do want something a little bit different to what is on our website. So to fulfill that gap right in the middle, we are going to be doing every couple weeks or every couple months limited production runs of various styles that we think will be quite popular. And I'm now going to explain just how it's all going to work to make sure you are happily up and going in a pair of gym green boots. So how it will work is that we'll group together a handful of styles like I have in front of me and I'm about to unbox. We'll put them onto various websites around the world, and there'll be a certain time frame where you have an option to order. Now you'll be able to order at the same price as if these were in stock. So you're getting a great boot, a limited run, but the only negative is obviously going to be the delivery time. We're going to run the pre-sale for a couple of weeks. There'll then be a cutoff date, and then there'll be a delayed delivery time. The next important thing to take note of is that not every website around the world will offer all the styles that we're going to come out with. What we'll do is we'll come out with a selection. We'll then go to our distributors that run these websites around the world, and we'll ask them if they want to stock these boots. So let's get into what is in front of me, and some very important dates to keep mind of is that these will all be available on the website Friday, the 1st of May. They will go live and you have an entire month to get your order in. So come the 31st of May, they'll be removed from the website, and we'll then get into our production and making sure they get onto your feet in time. So let's dive into our first selection. Now the first two, you guys are fairly familiar, those who have been following our channel, and that is two styles that we have been teasing the last couple of weeks. And the first one out the box is our Highlander Pro. Now we have said we didn't have a name for this boot, but we have decided to keep it short and sweet. And the reason we have added on the Pro to this name is obviously because we have taken our biggest selling boot in the range and we have upgraded it. Now what we're going to do over this month is we have some of these boots out on wear test to get some wear on them, and what we'll do is give a little breakdown and deep dive into each of these boots and why it may be a good choice for you. We're going to be running it in our gym green brown. For those watching this video for the first time, the Highlander Pro is different to our standard Highlander that we offer in South Africa, and that is because we have upgraded the boot. So we are going to be offering it in our gym green black and our gym green brown. So a great, really affordable boot that's going to do the job on any work site. Next up is another boot that we have been teasing, and we've actually mainly developed this boot for our South African market. Being a very price sensitive market, and of late all our boots have been premium and very expensive, we wanted to come out with something that would please everyone. And that is our Vellie. What we are calling this Vellie is the ZA Vellie. ZA obviously for South Africa, and it's just to help differentiate on our website. The ZA Vellie we are going to be offering in our legendary fudge. For those familiar with this, as you know, it patina's great. If you just leave this fudge alone to wear and do its thing, it gets a really awesome, much lighter fudge look to it. But if you treat it with a leather balm, it gives you that nice, rich mid-brown look. Here in South Africa, rough out is a huge leather that everyone loves to wear. So it is natural that we came out with our ZA Vellie in what we call our Safari Olive. Now this is a more premium rough out. It has some oils in it. I'm actually been wearing a pair for the last month, and I can already start to see the oil starting to move around in it. So these two boots are going to come out at an unbelievable price. They are what we are good at making here at Gym Green, and it's something I cannot wait to introduce to various regions around the world. Next up is two styles we haven't teased on at all, but we want to add to this limited run because we feel that you guys are going to love this. I actually don't know what's in the first box, but let's open it up and see which of these two comes out. Okay, so this is something I actually saw someone mention online the other day, and I think you're all gonna love this if you are a barefoot fan. And that is our 719 in the new Anatomics Last. I am gonna do a bit of a deeper dive into this, as I mentioned in videos as the month goes on. Gives you some time to look online, look at the specs, and then what we'll do is give a full breakdown and review every week from here onwards. So if you were surprised to see this one come out the box, then this next one is going to be an even bigger surprise, and I'm sure many of you are going to love this option. What we have here is an African Ranger in our latest Mocha Kudu leather. Now, this has been a bit of a monster to put together because of just how supple this Kudu leather is. It becomes quite a hard boot to actually make, and that is because just aligning the toe caps and working with it so that everything comes into place. This is going to be a boot at a great price, really unique and really awesome looking. You can just see before this boot's even been worn, the patina on this Kudu leather is going to be amazing with time. So that is that. Thanks very much for watching, and our very first limited drop production run. I think we've come out with something that almost covers a little bit for everyone. We've got the Legend, Low Cut, African Ranger. We've got a boot in the Anatomics Last that is in our 719, which is perfect for the office use or just as a great boot. And then onto our South African heritage, we've got the Vellie. It's going to be at an unbelievable price, along with our Highlander Pro boot, which again, going to be at a great price. To me, Highlander Pro, Vellie is going to be a really awesome limited drop, and I do hope that it becomes an everyday item that we're able to stock. So let us know in the comment section below what you may want to see in the next limited drop. We'll see how this one goes and when we can plan production for the next limited batch. And thank you very much for those that do support this and get your orders in. It does help obviously planning production, which then allows us to obviously come with boots at great value. So we will see you on our next episode, where we'll start to run through various reviews on this boot and people that have been wearing them for the last couple of weeks and months.